Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang, and today I'm going to demo this StockGenie app. So what is it is an AI powered stock insights. So you this is the home page. Then you can see we can easily switch from dark and light mode, and we can log in from this. So we have login and the sign up section. So I already have an account, so I will log in. Now after logging in, you can see this message. So we will implement this also. Then we have this home page, which is a dashboard. Then we have account settings, and we have billing, pricing, and reports. So in reports, whatever you have analyzed, the whole report will be there. Like what data was used, and what is the section, like what is the analyst recommendation, which is the what is the EPS versus estimates. So all this will be there, and then we will generate the short term analysis, long term analysis through AI, and the key takeaways, like what AI thinks that what should we do regarding this stock in short term and long term. So we will build all of this, and one more thing, this whole app will be responsive. So let me refresh it once. Yeah, so if you see it on phone, it will look like this. So this is the reports page. Then if you increase a bit, a large mobile, so you can see the app is responsive for all of the screen sizes. So let's set up this app. I'm using WebStorm as my code editor. You can use any other code editor also, it's not a big deal. So first, let me clear it, and we will use npx create sorry create next app. So yeah, let me first tell you the tech stack we are going to use in this. So we are using Gemini API for AI, we are using Next.js, then we are using Tailwind, shadcn, and Next themes. We are also using Firebase storage and authentication for their respective purposes. So let's continue with our setup. @latest dot slash. Now this dot slash is necessary because then it will create the project in the same folder. For example, here I have AI stock analyzer YT. If I don't put this dot slash, what it will do, it will ask me a new name, and it will create a folder, and in that folder my whole project will be there. So to avoid that, I'm using dot slash. So enter. Yes, it is okay to proceed. Yes, we need TypeScript in this. We need ESLint. Yes, we need Tailwind. We don't need source directory. App router, yes. Turbo pack, you can do, yes. And custom aliases, we don't need. So basically, whatever the default was, I just use the default settings. So now what it is doing, it will install all the packages and dev dependencies. So TypeScript is actually a dev dependency. So it might take some time depending on your laptop. Now the project is there, so it will show up here also. See, now we have all the folders. We have app folder, we have node modules, we have public folder, and all the necessary files. So yes, now our project is created. So in app folder, if you go to layout, you can see we have some default code. We will change it accordingly. For now, what you can do is in this metadata folder, in this metadata object, not folder, you can change this create next app to AI stock analyzer, or you can replace it with stock genie, and I will put YouTube in this because I'm recording a YouTube video. And then what I will do, I will replace this with AI stock analyzer. So save it, and to check whether the installation was right, do npm run dev. So now it is building for our local site, this for our local host. So navigate to the localhost 3000, and you should see like the Nextjs default. So this is the default page of Nextjs, or you can say the starting page. And here we have the title changed. So this metadata do that, and these are the fonts which you can use. So a lot of fonts are there. I guess the whole Google Fonts library you can use here. Yeah, next/font/Google. So that's all for this video. In next videos, we will proceed and make different components of our app. So till then, bye bye and take care.